interesting and imaging of the world because the train is back and smoking white and black color smoke. The train, the train is back. It is a first time see in my life. Wow, it is very interesting and amazing. It is just a Switzerland areas and going to next station and the stop the train. Wow, the train is back. It is really and just for entertainment purpose only. Please subscribe our channel. The train is another is back. Wow, it is many passengers the train and driving doing the driver. On the other hand, it is a train driver. It is back train. We are a channel saying the first time is a back train. On the other hand, it is really interesting and mountain area. Just imagine. Wow, it's very nice place. The train is going. On the other hand, it is back by purpose. The train is over the mountain area and train line. It is a California train and steam train. The train is a remote. It's very interesting locomotive train's idea. Thank you so much. Thank you.